Stop spending thousands in salons for your lash extensions and do it yourself at home. I never thought I would say this, but I prefer these false eyelashes over mascara any day. These are false eyelash clusters which give you a very natural and pretty look. These are self-adhesive, which means you do not even need any additional glue to use these. It's an affordable alternative to salon lash extensions. It costed me around 300 rupees and I totally love it. You can use these for an occasion or a party, or whenever you have your eye makeup on. That is the first thing, which means it's gonna give you a very glam look. But also you can use it when you do not have any makeup on, and for the natural makeup days as well. You are going to use this and no one is gonna know. They are just gonna think that you have thick natural eyelashes. I'm so glad that I found these and I'm sharing these with you, because मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा था कि मुझे false eyelashes करवानी है, and then I thought that they are pretty much expensive. Why not to go for an alternative solution? And this is absolutely what I meant by that. Salon-like finish at home, and I'm a fan of these kind of products. Let's get started with the application now. First of all, you need a cotton bud because you are going to make sure that your lash line is free of moisture. So, not on your waterline, क्योंकि अगर आप waterline को इस cotton bud से साफ करोगे, so it's going to give you irritation. So please make sure that you are just drying the lash line, because we do not want any moisture or any makeup or skincare residue in there. So let's just gently clean it. बहुत ही से gently करना, so that it does not cause irritation. Otherwise, eyes will get more watery. Now this set has equal sizes of the cluster eyelashes, but I'm sure that there are certain sets जिसके अंदर different size भी होते हैं. So what you can do is you can start with the longest one, but since this is something जो कि same ही size में है, I'm going to pick any one. Make sure that you remove the lashes from this box very carefully, because we do not want कि lashes ही खराब हो जाए, right? If you can see, this is how it looks like, and this is where the adhesive is there, because हमें इसके अंदर glue लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We're gonna hold it like this, which means that the adhesive is going to face towards the bottom. Here it goes underneath my natural lashes like this. I've just placed it till now, and then I'm going to squeeze my eyes, and that's how the lash has been attached to my waterline. Sorry, the lash line. And it is totally okay अगर initially नहीं लगे, क्योंकि I literally wasted 2 or 3 clusters, and that is totally fine because of course मैंने भी ये पहली बार लगाई थी. And I'm going to place it just where my first cluster lashes are ending. That's where I'm going to place it. अगर इसे 2 लगानी है तो natural look के लिए that is also enough, but let me place one more, and again I'm going to place it where my first lash was ending. These are my natural ones and these are the cluster ones. One thing that I forgot to mention, because मैंने वो पहले किया हुआ था, was that you need to curl your eyelashes first. Curl it like this a bit and then go in with the application. This is where the adhesive is present, and ये lashes भी किसी adhesive की help से ही यहाँ पे जुड़ी हुई है. So we need to make sure कि हम इसको ध्यान से निकाल रहे हैं. जैसे कि I just put it underneath here and then I'm going to pull it out. Maybe ये ऐसे उल्टी तरह से पकड़ा गया है. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on my hand, and then this is how I want it to be. so that मैं इसको अच्छे से लगा सकूँ, right? And after placing it, I'm just squeezing my eyes like this ताकि वो stick हो जाए. And if I want तो मैं इसको थोड़ा बहुत इससे adjust खुद से भी कर सकती हूँ. However I want to do it. अगर वो misplace हो रही है, misalign हो रही है तो ठीक है. अब next लगाते हैं. This is how I need to hold it. Please make sure that you are putting these on your lash line and not your waterline, because then it's not going to stick. Yeah. Just above the waterline is your lash line, जहाँ पे आपकी जो natural lashes हैं वो होती हैं. Look at these lashes. Now if I talk about the stay is pretty good. अगर ये lashes मैंने अभी लगाई है and if I'm not going to rub my eyes aggressively, so this is going to stay, I would say, till tomorrow. Even if I'm not wearing any makeup, believe me, if I just wear these and a lip balm or a lip gloss, I know that I'm good to go. Just a quick update. I filmed that video yesterday, which means that these lashes were applied yesterday. और मैं अभी सो के उठी हूँ. मैंने कल रात को स्किन केयर भी किया, which means I washed my face, and as you can see I still have these eyelashes on, so I just wanted to show you the stay.